I got on a plane with no real announcement, no rush, no timeline, just me, a bag, and the sky stretched out in front of me. When you live without clocks, without being tied to time, every moment just unfolds the way it's supposed to. The city skyline beneath me, the clouds surrounding me, and then me rolling my luggage through the airport, stepping out, ready to embrace whatever came next. Now, as I drove through the neighborhoods, memories started flooding back. Streets I walked before, places that shaped me, corners that held stories of who I was and who I was becoming. Every block carried pieces of my history, moments that made lessons that built me and reminded me of just how far I have come. Then I came to this intersection, and I couldn't help but think about how life itself is just like that. We all come to crossroads, places where we have to decide which way to go. Sometimes we turn down familiar roads, sometimes we take new ones, and sometimes we just pause, right in the middle just to reflect. But each direction carries something for us, and whether it's a lesson, a blessing, or a bit of both. That intersection reminded me that life isn't just about rushing to get somewhere. It's about being aware of where you are, where you've been, and where you're headed. And just like these streets I was driving through, no matter which way you go, the journey has value. And this journey today has landed me at food. My first stop was the vegan spot in the Metro Detroit area called Space Cat Bistro. I walked in, I took my seat, and I placed my order. Right. So I'm here in the D. I hope y'all can hear me over the music, and tap in today. But today I think I'm gonna go with that.
The breakfast bomb?
Yeah.
For your side, would you like garlic greens, crunchy sweet potatoes, or we can upgrade to fries?
So let's do the potatoes.
Okay.
Be hungry until I saw this. Look at the bacon. Look at the carrot bacon. Look at the garlic greens with the cheese. Oh my gosh. The caramelized onions. If you want to catch this full review, I did go live with this, and the live is up on the channel. But this was about setting the tone, food, connection, and presence. From there, it was straight to the family. My grands, my grand princess, and my son. These are my reasons. We had moments in the car, music turned up, us singing, laughing, and vibing together. You know that I see it. You know you're a star. Where you go, I follow, no matter how far. My life is a movie, and you're the best part. You're the best part. Oh, you know the song? Nope. Oh. Best part. Later was the bleachers. Rain coming down, watching my granddaughter cheer at the football game. No clocks, just being in the exact moment, soaking it all in. The next morning I rose with tea in hand. Everyone had gone off to school, so it was just me, my son, and my grand princess. We again sang in the car, laughed, and headed out to do a little shopping. Then later on was the homecoming parade. We walked to the end of the street together and we watched the band, the floats, and the community energy. I'm telling you, it was lit. And of course, I had to get in that kitchen, y'all. The first meal I prepared for the family was loaded vegan nachos. That's how I pour love, through food around the table. Laughter fill the air.
Sure, yeah, you can play. It was, it's not the last one because...
Later that evening, my grandprince read to me.
And the cafes enjoyed the snacks his few friends gave him.
Friends, didn't he?
Do you think Percy and Timmy did a kind thing for the cafes? Why or why not?
Did they do a kind thing?
Yes.
What did they do?
They gave him his favorite food.
What was some of his favorite foods?
Shrimp, fly,
The way he explained himself, the way he carried each word, I couldn't be more proud. Then my grandprincess wound down on the couch with her iPad and her new Miss Rachel doll that I surprised her with. Little moments, big love. Now here we are at the next day. I set out on foot, no plans, no clock, just a walk. And I stumbled into a park. That's where it hit me. Living without time gives you permission to exist in the past, the present, and the future all at once. The swings called me back to my childhood. I even hopped on. I picked up the basketball and shot my shot, but I missed. But that too was a lesson. Not everything is a goal. Sometimes it's a miss. But even in a miss, you're given another chance to make it right. As I strolled through, I saw these trees and the cherry blossoms, the landscaping, the simple beauty of it all. It grounded me. It reminded me that the presence is found in the smallest details. And happy Thursday. I didn't even know it was Thursday. I forgot. Later that day, I had lunch on the porch. Just me, a sandwich, and conversation. Right now, I'm not thinking about time at all. I'm not letting time dictate any part of my day. That's it. I'm doing what I want, when I want, with the people I want to do it with. And the stillness of being. The moment was so full,
It's a beautiful
I decided to go live. You can catch that on the channel. It's called Our Conversation and the Sandwich. Check it out. Now, another day brought another walk, this time with my grandprincess. We streamed it live too, called The Rising Walk with My Princess. As we walked, she pointed out everything. Every squirrel darting across the path, every leaf that had changed its color, every little detail most of us would have just passed by. She reminded me to slow down and really see the beauty in front of me. The golds, the reds, the browns, the sounds of the leaves crunching beneath my feet. These are just the simple things you take for granted. And that's the thing about walks. They shift your mood, they clear your mind, they let you breathe deeper and notice what's good. A simple walk can turn an ordinary day into something special. And walking with her reminded me how important it is to stay present, pay attention to the small things, and to let nature reset your spirit. Later on, my grandson gave me step-by-step directions on how to get to the park. And when I got there, it was like magic. The park had zip lines, obstacle courses, swings. It had an outdoor workout space. It just was beautiful. And I was very shocked and excited. He zipped, he climbed. I found myself on the swings again, feeling the joy of just letting go. I saw you. You okay? Woo! The next rising, I made smoothie bowls with my granddaughter holding the camera. This was awesome. That video is also up on the channel. Afterwards, it was just family time. The kids playing in the yard, my son riding his daughter on the back of the bike in circles, us cracking up acorns on the porch. Just simple joy. That evening, we fired up the grill. They had some chicken Caesar salads, and me, you know, I had to grill me some carrot dogs, and yes, I enjoy every bite. Y'all know I love my carrot dogs. Couldn't get the family to try them though, LOL. All right, before wrapping up, y'all know I had to go see my sister from over 40 years. You know her as Tia on the Glow. Here she is. Peace and love, everybody. Hey. Welcome in. That's who over there chopping up those vegetables. We spent the day reminiscing, relaxing, just being. And of course, we ended up cooking together, live. Tap in. I am here with my sister from another mister from way back before the 8 tracks. All right. I don't know. I'm definitely probably losing a lot of people when I say that.
Way back like a Cadillac, up on flats.
Hey, let's go. Okay, y'all ready? Oh, we need our forks. We did vegan Rasta pasta. Okay, so y'all see. All right, we get ready to try it. I'm getting a little bit of everything on mine. As you can see, I have the mushroom, the peppers. Get a little bit more mushroom. The peppers and the peony. The peanut. And those clips speak for themselves. Laughter, sisterhood, and a bond that stood the test of time. I did it! I did it!
It's good.
I did it, y'all. The kick is there, though. You can also check that out live on the channel also. And then just like me boarding the plane, the city below, the clouds surrounding me, my trip, my journey, my time away from time. No clocks, no schedules, just love, food, family, reflection, and presence. Because the best memories are ones that don't need to be measured.